We're traveling back in time to uncover the story of the Phoenicians, an ancient civilization that dominated the seas and revolutionized trade and writing. Ready to dive into their fascinating history? Let's go! The Phoenicians inhabited the narrow strip of land between the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains of Lebanon. This strategic location gave them access to the sea and protection from invaders. Genetically, they were related to other Semitic peoples of the Levant, which allowed them to develop a unique cultural identity in a region rich with exchange. During the second millennium BCE, cities like Tyre, Sidon, and Byblos became hubs of trade and manufacturing. They were famous for their textiles, metalwork, and especially the purple dye extracted from the murex shellfish, a product so valuable it became synonymous with royalty across the Mediterranean. Trade was the driving force of their civilization. The Phoenicians were expert navigators and merchants, establishing colonies and trade networks in places like Carthage, Sicily, and the Iberian Peninsula. Their maritime skills allowed them to monopolize the trade of precious goods, connecting cultures from the Levant to the Atlantic. Phoenician religion was polytheistic, with deities like Baal, Astarte, and Melkart. These gods reflected aspects of nature and daily life, and were worshipped in temples through rituals that included sacrifices and offerings. Religion was not only spiritual, but also a reflection of their connection to the sea and land. One of their greatest contributions was their alphabet. Though they initially used cuneiform and hieroglyphs, they developed a simplified 22-character alphabet representing sounds. This system revolutionized writing, influencing Greek, Latin, and many other alphabets, laying the foundation for modern written communication. Phoenician art reflected their cosmopolitan nature. They were skilled in glassmaking and metalwork, creating functional and decorative pieces with both local and foreign motifs. Their art was not only beautiful, but also a testament to their ability to integrate influences from other cultures. The decline of the Phoenicians began in the 6th century BCE, when powers like Babylon, Persia, and later Alexander the Great dominated the region. Though they lost their independence, their cultural and technological legacy persisted through their colonies, especially Carthage, which became a power in its own right. The Phoenician legacy extended far beyond their disappearance. Their adaptability and ingenuity in navigation, trade, and diplomacy laid the groundwork for the cultural and economic development of the Mediterranean and the Western world. Their alphabet, trade techniques, and art remain a testament to their enduring impact. The Phoenicians were pioneers in trade, navigation, and writing. Their legacy lives on in our letters and the history of the Mediterranean. What other secrets do you think the Phoenicians hold? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.